right, folks. Nice foggy day. Normally we have the big old Connecticut River here. And right now you'd be seeing the wonderful town or wonderful city of Middletown. However, fog over the river, you ain't seeing nothing. So anyways, heading into town. Not too much I have to do today. Like I said though, might get some hiking done today, not sure. But we do have rain coming. So I don't know if I want to prepare a little bit. So I'll be ready to go park when it rains and everything, or just go on and do some hiking. But we'll see. But anyways, I'll let you guys get going for now. Later, folks. Right, so I got my boy Dougie here. You've seen him in a couple videos. Went fishing today. Oh yeah, it's trout time, folks. It's trout time.
6 big brookies.
Let's go. 6 brookies, baby. Good eating. All right, brother.
You gotta get them.
Eater done. All right, folk. I have trout I need to cook up today. I have a few burgers I need to cook up today. Don't want any of it to go bad. And it's a beautiful day. We're hitting over 70 degrees today. So I figured what better place to come to than my favorite spot out here, Miller's Pond. So I'm going to get along with this hike, get us out here, show the place off to you a bit. And I'm going to shut my pie hole and let the place speak for itself. Later, folk. All right, so I came out here last year and did this, and I'm hoping that I'm able to get close enough so you guys can hear, but all the peepers and everything are coming out again. It gets nice and warm and they just come out and they start going crazy. So I'm hoping I could get them right here and you guys can hear them. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go onto the other side of the pond, and there's another, like big, it's like a big huge puddle or something. I don't know what you would call, like a marsh type of area right in this part, and they're just going crazy over there. So I'm hoping I can get them and you guys can hear them. So I'm going to ship my yaps, so hopefully you get to hear them. Later, folks. folk, the last spot that we just went to, where I kind of scanned the whole pond and everything, that's my favorite spot out here. So this whole place, Miller's Pond, is my favorite spot to come to, and that's the favorite spot at my favorite spot to come to. So anyways, had somebody there fishing, and I just told him I was going to take a nice video of it. He goes, "Oh, let me get out of the way," and nice fella. And anyways, figured since he's fishing, I guess I'm gonna head on back in, since we got the trout and the burgers that need to be cooked up. So anyways, not a bad hike. I'm out of breath, so we might as well get cruising back and get all this done. I'll catch you when we get back to the Vanitarium, folk, later. All right, folks, so we're back from the hike. I'm over here and back at Eddie's house. Dun, 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 dun. And cooking up the trout right now. And I'm flipping it around so you guys can see it. All right, so what I do with this is I got some spices I put together. I got like a Cajun thing, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and pepper and stuff. I put it all together, put that in there. But what I do is I get a bunch of butter, and I put it in the butter, and then I put the butter inside the fish and all around it, and then I cook it in it. So that's how we're making the trout right now. So let me get to cooking this, and then I'm going to get to the burgers, and I'll catch you guys later. Hey, folk, how's things? Well, the trout was outstanding. It was awesome. I brought it over to Doug's van, who's parked behind me, and I let him have one. Said it was great. They loved it. Everybody over there tried it and loved it. Made a few burgers. I got some onions to go with it. With it getting hot, like I said, we're hitting 70 today. A little over maybe. So yeah, I was like, it's time to eat this, to cook this up. It's not like winter where it's going to last for too long unless I get ice. So anyways, I cooked that up, cooked the trout up. It's really good. So I have the burger for later. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you guys. I don't know if you've ever tried them where you're at or whatever, but you got these right here. Honey butter Wise potato chips. They're only $2 too, by the way. My favorite, by far my favorite chip. So yeah, not too expensive, $2, and they're great. But yeah, so it was a really awesome hike. I enjoyed it, and I'm glad I went out, because I went out this time last year, and was able to hear the peepers and everything going off. And I hope you guys can hear it in this one. They were really cool. I tried to get a little bit closer, but it was a beautiful day, so there was quite a few people out, and every time the people get a little too close, they go quiet. So anyways, hopefully you guys heard it. Straightened up the Vanitarium a bit. There's really not too much for me to fix right now. I am going to switch some things around as to make it easier for the road trip, and I've decided some things have got to go. I'm not getting rid of them; they're going in storage. But some things have got to go. They're not worth being in here. So, anyways, I got to probably do that tomorrow sometime. Maybe, who knows? But or maybe the next time it rains, I'll do that. But for now, that's going to be about it. I'm just going to straighten this thing out a little bit more and hang out for the rest of the night. And I'm still in town, so I'm probably going to go right behind here and go say hi to Doug and everybody for a little bit before I go out to camp. So anyways, till next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.